Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you how to make this beautiful dress. So guys, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. It's an English dress. The length of the dress is 46 inches and I'll add extra 1 inch, making it 47 inches. I've already marked out 47 inches length of the dress. Now the shoulder measurement is 16 inches divided into 2 will give me 8 inches plus half inch, making it 8.5 inches. Now for the armhole, I'll be using 10 inches because I'll remove 1 inch for the shoulder slope. It will now remain 9 inches. So I'll go ahead and mark 8.5 here. So I will mark from the shoulder to the half length. Is a straight dress. Okay, the half length I'm using 17 inches and the hips measurement I'm using 25 inches. This will be the point I'll place my hip measurement. Now the bust measurement is 38 inches divided by 4 will give me 9.5 inches. So because it's a stretchy material, I don't want it too fitted, so I will go ahead and add 1.5 inches for the allowance. Now for the waist is 33 divided into 4 will give me 8.2 inches. Then I'll go ahead and mark extra 1.5 inches as well. Now the hips measurement is 40 divided into 4 give me 10 inches plus 1.5 inches allowance. Then I'll take the measurement from the hip measurement here, I'll take it down to this point. Now for the neckline, I will mark 3.5 inches here. From here, I'll put 1 inch shoulder slope. Then at this point, I will divide it into 2. The remaining armhole here is 9 inches divided into 2 will be 4.5 inches. Then from here, I'll curve it. Okay. Then the front neckline, I will make it 6 inches. I don't want it to be too high or too low. I can as well make it 7 inches, but let's leave it at 7 inches. So I'll curve it. It's a V neckline. So guys, it's a stretchy fabric. I will not be adding any dart to it. So I'll go ahead and cut out. I will not be cutting the neckline. After cutting out the back, then I'll cut out the neckline of both the front and the back pieces. Now I will cut out the back pieces. I will not be adding extra allowance for the zipper because I added 1.5 inches at the front. So I will just use half an inch of it as my zip allowance. So I'll be cutting exactly what I cut for the front pieces. So it's not having any lining, so I used the half an inch for my zipper at the back. Now I did not add extra allowance for the back pieces zipper. instead of adding zipper allowance, I use this allowance I have already cut on the front. I use 1.5 inches, so I will just use half an inch from the one I have front to sew the back one. You understand? So I did not add extra allowance. I don't want it to have extra allowance. So for the neckline, I've already cut out the neck depth for the front. Now for the back. The back is 3.5 by 3 inches. The back is circle while the front is a V neckline. Then I'll separate it. Then I'll trim off the length for my front neckline. That is my V neckline. Now for the sleeve will be a funnel sleeve and it will be cut into 4 pieces. You can see I'm trying to manage the fabric. My round sleeve is 14 inches for the upper side, which divided into 2 will be 7 inches. I'll mark 7 inches. Because of this joining, I'll add half an inch, which is 7.5, and then I'll add another half inch for joining, making it 8 inches. Altogether 8 inches. Then I'll come down. The length of the sleeve is 18 inches. I will use half an inch to join it at the upper side and turn it with my bias tape at the tip here. Okay, then I'll go ahead and remove 4 inches here. Then I'll curve it out. Now this side I use 9.5 inches. Then I measured 9 inches. From this point I use 7.5 inches. So I'll go ahead and cut it out. So this will be the sleeve. Now I'll go ahead and join them together, right side facing each other. I'll go ahead and use half an inch to join it at the upper side. So I'll go ahead and use half an inch as well and join it at the upper side. So we're actually done with the cutting. The next thing is the sewing aspect of the dress. So guys, I've actually joined the sleeve with half an inch. So this is now the sleeve. If you are cutting yours, you can as well cut it. I cut it into 2 because why I have the joining, because the fabric was not order enough. So I tried to manage it. That's why I'm having seam here. But it's as well beautiful. If your own is bigger, you can leave it in one single sleeve. Okay. And for the dress, I've actually fixed the lining. Previous time I said I'm not going to add lining, but I finally added lining to it. You can see this is the front and the 2 back pieces. So the dress is almost done. The next thing I'll do is just to add my zipper. I'm using a stone zipper for it at the back. Okay, after which I will join both the front and back, and I'll fix the sleeve as well. The sleeve is very easy to fix. After joining the main body, I have to attach. What you need to do is just to close it up. If you want, you can as well sew it with the dress direct, then when you are closing it. So I'll add the zipper, join both the front and the back pieces together, fix the sleeve, then close it up with just half an inch. The dress is done. Then for the down part, you have to hem it. You can as well use your bias tape to tape the down part, or you can fold it in, whichever way you choose, anyhow you want it. Just make sure it's very neat and beautiful. So I'll go now and fix the zip, join the front and back pieces, fix my sleeve and close it up. Guys, the clothes, you can achieve it within 10 minutes. It's very simple and beautiful. So I'll do that now, then I'll show you the final picture of how it looks. So guys, I've actually joined the front and the back pieces together, and I've joined the sleeve as well. This is the sleeve, you can see. This is the back with the zipper. So the next thing I'll do is to turn it to the wrong side. I've used bias tape on this side. I'll go ahead and tape the second sleeve. After taping it, and I'll swell tape the down part, you can see. So after taping the hand and the down part, I'll just close it up with half an inch. Okay. After which I'll use half an inch to close it up on both sides. Then I'll show you the final picture. I use half lining for it. I don't want to use full lining. Okay, so I'll go ahead and tape the down part, the second sleeve, then I'll close it up, after which I'll show you the final picture of how it looks. So guys, after making it, this is how it looks. This is the sleeve. This is a bell sleeve, you can see, and the back. So guys, I hope this video is helpful. Very simple and easy to achieve. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Give it a thumbs up, share to your friends, and bye until I see my next video. Bye.